we are coming up with something known as MRD 7 campus. MRD 7 campus is nothing but a coaching session which will be starting from next week, that's the 27th of May to the 1st of June, and it will be held for 6 days at the old Jogu futsal ground at Mall de Goa, Porvorim, and this camp will be held only for 30 students. We can extend it for 2 or 3 more, but not more than that, where we'll divide it into 20 for boys and 10 for girls.
This is all because, when I go in the soccer schools to interact with the kids, I think most of the parents approach me and they are like, you have to start something, because kids are so they like me so much, and they just want me to start something so that they can come and practice with me. I think the main thing is the basics. The grassroots programs need the basics like passing, dribbling, skills. If you have this, I think, and then they can be a good place.